Hi everyone, are you looking 4K front and rear dash cam? This video is made to help you find the best 4K front and rear dash cam. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay update latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, LINGDU, model number, AM100. LINGDU AM100 Dash Cam adopts high-quality Sony Starvis IMX415 sensor. The lens has 7 layers of optical lenses, its resolution is 4 times that of ordinary full high definition. It can easily help you record key details such as road signs, license plate numbers etc., and can capture ultra-high definition 4K 30 frames per second resolution for clear photograph the road in detail. Wi-Fi dash cam could be controlled simply by giving voice commands to take real-time pictures and record videos. User could focus more on road conditions and have safer driving experiences. LINGDU AM100 car dash cam could detect abnormal physical and gravitational forces and create emergency video files automatically. Dash camera for cars could provide important information for unexpected events. Wi-Fi dash cam could be controlled simply by giving voice commands to take real-time pictures and record videos. User could focus more on road conditions and have safer driving experiences. LINGDU AM100 car dash cam could detect abnormal physical and gravitational forces and create emergency video files automatically. Dash camera for cars could provide important information for unexpected events. Car camera comes with free memory card. User do not need to purchase it respectively and could use the dash cam once receive it. Number 4. Brand name, Vantrue, model number, N4. Equipped with a high-performance Sony Starvis CMOS sensor and a large f1.4 aperture 6-glass lens for observing the road front, as well as an f1.86 glass lens for observing the rear, the dash cam is capable of automatically increasing exposure in dark situations to capture clear video footage. With low bitrate recording parking mode, the dash cam will keeps recording continuously and decreases the quality of the video to maximize the recording quantity. While the motion detection or collision detection parking mode allows the camera to automatically initiate recording when triggered by a motion or collision event. Wide dynamic range technology enables it to process images effectively, ensuring clear recordings in both bright and dark lighting conditions. 3 cameras record simultaneously once motion is detected around your car, providing all-round protection for your vehicle. Hardwiring is required to ensure continuous operation. Any scratches or impacts will be detected by the G sensor and recorded accurately, alleviating concerns about compensation disputes. N4 is powered by a supercapacitor instead of lithium batteries, making it resilient to extreme weather conditions ranging from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. It ensures a longer lifespan compared to dash cams with lithium-ion batteries. You can configure the settings to record the front and interior of your whole cabin in 1440 pixels plus 1440 pixels high resolution. Number 3. Brand name, DDPAI, model number, N5. Equipped with wide-angle cameras, N5 Dual effortlessly captures footage from multiple lanes, effectively eliminating blind spots in your driving. 140 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring a broader field of view to capture more of the road. This comprehensive coverage enhances safety and provides detailed video recording for a more thorough driving experience. Built-in high-quality Wi-Fi allows direct connection to smartphone and lets you playback, download and view the camera's footage in real time. It allows you to download videos without the hassle of remove SD card and connecting to PC. In case of microSD card failure, emergency recordings and captures can be stored in the 32 GB built-in eMMC storage. Built-in adaptive image algorithm brings true-to-life colors to the scene, capture details with stunning results. With the built-in IPS power management system, N5 Dual can constantly monitor the car battery voltage and automatically cut off power when it falls below the set threshold, allowing you to keep track of your battery voltage through the DDPAI app. The front camera boasts a premium lens setup with 6 optical lenses, combined with a wide f1.8 aperture. With the DDPAI's NightVis technology, you can effortlessly capture crisp and vibrant footage of your surroundings even in low-light conditions. Number 2. Brand name, REDTIGER, model number, F9. The F9 Dash Cam offers smooth 4K recording in a compact and concealed design, taking up minimal space in your vehicle. This dash camera for cars can record even while parking with a 48-hour parking monitor, which keeps the automobile secure. Equipped with a suite of intelligent features, the F9 is your ultimate co-pilot on the road. The REDTIGER F9 offers real-time location updates and tracking capabilities, ensuring you know exactly where you are and how you got there. The F9 features intelligent voice notifications, guiding you through your journey with timely alerts and updates, enhancing your focus on the road. The dashcam front and rear camera comes with a 32GB card and support up to 256GB cards. When the memory is full, the oldest video is automatically overwritten to make room for fresh recordings. The time-lapse function condenses hours into minutes, perfect for creating captivating travelogues or monitoring your vehicle while parked. Built-in sensor module can easily capture vibration and automatically record locked video. Number 1. Brand name, AZDOME, model number, M550 Pro. This AZDOME M550 Pro 3CH4K is a very comprehensive and professional dashcam with 3 cameras. The M550 Pro also records in the sharpest 4K resolution, and it is equipped with Wi-Fi and GPS. AZDOME GPS player could view the speed, route, latitude and longitude of the recorded video. M550 Pro dash camera provides evidence during emergencies. The built-in wide dynamic range technology helps capture optimum lighting and image details, in both bright and dark conditions. The motion detection technology activates the vehicle camera for recording while sensing any movement about the car. With the dual lenses, movements in the interior and exterior of a vehicle are monitored simultaneously. This amazing 4K dashcam video recorder is the perfect device to record real-time vehicle conditions and beautiful sceneries while driving your car.